that our problems are not spiritual. Our problems are rather physical. But we have Yahoo in different sectors. A lot of people think that it's only those young boys who have been rendered jobless who press computer are Yahoo boys. But there is so many Yahoos. Yahoo start from government. Government is the original Yahoo. And we also have Yahoo in police system. We have Yahoo in judicial system. The real Ogakpata of all the Yahoo is churches and mosques. This man! Yourself, because you guys don't have sense. Pastors have stolen your conscience, your mind, your money, and everything. They made you unemployed. They made you not have your children in school. They made your road unmotorable. Just the same thing government are doing, because they become the Uncle Tom. You know, when the white people left us, thinking that we are not dependent, we're not dependent. We don't have our independence. They left us for some criminals who came, you know, as a pastor. Now look at what Redeemed Church, the son did. Very stubborn, very rude and nasty son of his. He went from Lagos to Kaduna State to meet Arrow 5. He took a contract of 8 billion. 8 billion. The contract, he didn't do it, abandoned it. The contract was also reviewed. More money was added to it. He didn't do it. And the EFCC chairman, President Chairman, is from Redeemed Church. Now, the criminal-minded, Redeemed Church son, whatever his name is, very, criminal-minded. This is a man who told us that he had breakfast with Nigeria, with God and Lord Jesus Christ and Savior. I've never heard that before. My question is, did you have tea with him, or did you have a bite, or did you have ewedu and amala with Jesus? You didn't tell us that. The same man again who told us that when he was going to America, it was snowing because he was going to do a crusade. He stopped the snow. This is weather. It's only God that can stop the weather. No man has ever done that before. Because the man has dementia, and most of his followers also have dementia. They have lost their senses. They believe anything this old man will tell them. Even when he tell them to go and die, they will die. The man will tell you to be fasting, shaking your head like motor engine. You will shake your head. And you.
I've said it time without number. Nobody is man of devil. The genuine Christians that I know, the most anointed Christian that I know is you. You that is defending a pastor naively is the only one anointed and sincere. That your pastor you are defending is a scammer, and if he's not scamming you intentionally or he's scamming you ignorantly, he's still a scammer. Because if you are in a wrong church and the pastor is teaching you something that is not truth about God, he is doing it ignorantly, you are still in a wrong church. And if your pastor know that what he is doing is a lie, he's lying intentionally because of what he will gain, you are still in a wrong church. I said it time without number. None of your pastor, all of them are either ignorant or just scamming you intentionally. But when we talk, some of you will come and argue. See him now. Pastor's son collected a project, a contract. Allegedly, what 8 billion? Why didn't he pray for his son spiritually to execute the project? Let's start from there. Let's assume the problem is spiritual. Why didn't God answer him spiritually so that his son will execute the project, so that the spiritual can make the son to execute the project? He chopped the money, and like somebody say, he don't first give him father 10% from it. That is why you people are doing 30 days ranting. No single imam or pastor can say it. And when we say, leave the pastors alone, they are not our problem. Look at what they are, the biggest problem. I said it time without number. There is no theist among the politicians. There's no politician that you meet today that will tell you say doesn't believe in God. All our politicians swear with what? Bible and Quran. So if they swear with Bible and Quran, it means that they believe God, they believe pastor. And if they believe in a imam, they believe in a pastor. They are not a theist. You swear with Bible, you swear with Quran, but you are still committing evil. What is the pastor telling them when they go to church? I saw a video of what's his name, Fubara, going to church yesterday, and they said this is the first time he's coming out since the. Some people are clapping. We thank God. They let him commit what to God. We are not saying he might not actually retain his governorship, but some of you that are saying God will help him. God will help. So you people think that God helps criminals. No wonder you say God appoint Tinubu. That's what people are saying. That God choose Tinubu. Now don't they show Nachege? Tell me how God go choose somebody that will wicked you. God go choose Nebuchadnezzar. God go choose Pharaoh. So now God appoint these ones. When we say this thing, some of you, I said God does not appoint anybody, doesn't make anybody president. God does not make anybody leader. The leadership we have today is you that choose it. This is not a question of God. There is no spiritual power to help you become a president. But you people will not use sense to know. See am now. Pastor wait when I say Nigerian problem is spiritual. In some they collect projects, you know, if you finish them. Tell me, how do you justify this? If we tell them, I say, I know they even call Adeboye a name because I'm not selective. I say all of them. Any pastor you like, call Kumuyo, Necheo, Yakilome, including Paul. What is the name of House on the Rock? That told you that Saul will come before David. He don't keep mute now. Where Tinubu they deal with Nigerians. He has kept mute since Tinubu started doing with Nigerians. Why is he not talking? I'm out of here, Joe.